Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Business and Newspaper Sudoku Basel on August 13, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. 9th grade. We have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come the cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining. 7 is confirmed here. Column F, 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row and 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 5, 8 and 1, 7. That 4 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in another 4 cells. We will confirm later. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 8. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 6. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 2, 8. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 4th row, column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row and 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd row and 4th row, we have pair numbers, 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 8, 7, 9. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Then column F, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, and sixth row, we have pair numbers. We have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Sixth row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then third grade, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column J, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fifth row and seventh row, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Seventh row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Sixth grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Seventh row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 9, 4. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 3rd row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 6th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column D, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column C, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 5th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.